In today's video, I'm going to teach you add contacts to Gmail. We'll walk through two simple ways to add someone to your Gmail contacts so you can email them faster, see their details, and keep everything organized. I'll start with the contacts page method, then show you how to save someone directly from an email. First, make sure you're signed in to Gmail on your computer. Look to the top right and find the grid of 9 small dots. When you hover over it, you'll see it labeled as Google Apps. Click that grid to open the menu. Now scroll through the list until you find contacts. It might be lower down, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. Click the contacts icon and it will open the contacts homepage where you'll see any people you've already saved. To add someone new from here, click Create Contact near the top left, then choose Create a Contact. A form will pop up. You can upload a photo if you want, but that's optional. Go ahead and type in the person's name. The most important field is the email address, since that's what Gmail uses to autofill recipients and link them to messages. You can also add a phone number or other details, but those are optional. If you're in a hurry, just add the name and email for now. When you're done, click Save. You'll be taken back to your contact list and you should see the new entry right there. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect when you've just received an email from someone you want to save. Open the email in Gmail, move your mouse over the sender's name at the top of the message. A small card will appear with their information. On that card, look for the option to add them to your contacts. Click it, and Gmail will create a contact using the details from the email. If you switch back to the contacts page and don't see it immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page and it should appear. That's all there is to it. Using the contacts app is great when you're adding details manually, and adding from an email is the fastest way to save someone you've just heard from. Keep in mind, you don't have to fill every field. Start with the email, then add more details later if you need to. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.